Good morning, traders. It's Tuesday, 10th of August, 2021. No news expected today. No high priority news. So not until tomorrow. That's 1:30 p.m. UK time. Some USD news. Quick look at Euro. Euro's coming into a significant level here. Run about that big number 1.17, and there is some divergence, as you can see, between. Well, let me just show you. If I draw a line from, you can see here, look, we've got higher lows here and we've got lower lows here, and also on this I don't often have this on the chart, but a RSI as well. You can see a low there and higher low here as price is moving down. So some divergence down both RSI and MACD, indicating that potentially we could see some upside on euro dollar, which could mean some weakness on the dollar itself. So have a look at that. We might come and test this bottom, we might come and break it, and then potentially we could start to reverse. So looking very interesting. So a little bit of patience needed, but yeah, that's what those indicators are telling me. So if we do get some upside on euro and a little bit of weakness on the dollar, something of interest actually is Kiwi dollar, because Kiwi dollar very, very messy on the daily, but 4 hour we can actually see some cycles. Okay, we can see these higher lows, higher highs, and currently making what could be a higher low. So be very, very interested in looking at buying opportunities really round about where it is at the moment, because you know it's had a decent pullback, decent correction, so we could see the next move to the upside. Now there's another Kiwi pair of interest that we are looking at. That's Kiwi yen. Same thing, looking for Kiwi strength, and you know we can see this. If I just show you, you can see that break of this trend line here, and we've actually pulled back into a previous area of resistance, which may now have become support. Let me just try and get the right tool that I'm looking for here. See the support here? Sorry, resistance. Come back. Just about came into it. If I draw it with the tips of wicks, the ray there, look, you can see just about comes and touches it. So we could be seeing buyers come in now. Okay, so this could be a low, high, higher low, looking for a higher high potentially. So maybe we're going to see some strength on the Kiwi dollar. So keep your eyes on that. And have a look at some of the other Kiwi charts as well. That might be of interest, but looking potentially at Kiwi strength. What else is of interest today? Let's have a little look at Aussie Swiss, because Aussie Swiss, the daily, you can see it's in a really, really nice downtrend. So the smart move, if you like, the smart trade on this is to be selling. Now, price came into the daily 20 moving average yesterday. So be very, very sensible now in my eyes to start looking for sell opportunities. Now, we haven't had anything at the moment. We've broken yesterday's high, so no change of cycle yet, but I would start looking for it, because I mean it's still absolutely on the smaller time frame trending to the upside, but the daily, you know, it's a big, nice, lovely downtrend. So I like the idea of selling Aussie as well. Aussie, if you look at the news and the fundamentals, it's not a great time for Australia at the moment, with things to do with COVID, things to do with lots of people are not vaccinated by choice, and it's causing all kinds of problems over in Australia. So a weak Australian dollar actually makes sense to me fundamentally, but it's generally weak anyway. So I like the idea of selling Aussie. The problem is that Swiss franc yesterday was very weak. We're still seeing some of that follow through today. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to keep my eyes on this, keep monitoring, and see if we get that change of cycle. So if you just hide those indicators, yep, just did that. So simple way, you know, you can draw a trend line. So at the moment on this hourly time frame, this is the key, well, this is the last swing low. So you'll be looking for, you're just gonna be really patient, guys. You're looking for that to break. You want price to break that level. Okay, if you're interested in selling, you want to see a change of cycle. You want to see that firstly a new low or a lower low, then a higher sorry guys, you want to see a lower low, then a lower high, and that you've changed cycle, and that would be your ideal place to look to sell from. So here you're looking for evening star pattern, a bearish engulfing candle or shooting star candle, something like that, indicating that sellers will come in. So that would be ideal. Not getting that set up at the moment though, but keep your eyes on it, because you got to, you know, we're looking at that bigger trend, that bigger momentum. That's really what we want to be trading with, because that's where we're going to get our highest probability trades. So watching Kiwi dollar, watching Kiwi yen, and Aussie Swiss as well. And yeah, we'll see if any of those set up today. So have a great day, guys, and I will speak to you again tomorrow.